Hi students, come to cool zone. Real numbers. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Come to solution. Let us assume on the contrary that root 2 plus root 3 be rational and equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime numbers and integers. Root 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b and root 3 is equal to a by b minus root 2. Squaring both sides, root 3 the whole square is equal to a by b minus root 2 the whole square. Here we can use the identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using this identity, here we are expanding it. So root 3 the whole square is equal to 3 and a square and a by b minus root 2 the whole square is equal to a square by b square minus 2a root 2 by b plus 2. Next step, taking this 2 to the LHS, 3 minus 2 is equal to a square by b square minus 2a root 2 by b. That gives 1 is equal to a square by b square minus 2 root 3 a by b. Taking this 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 a by b to the LHS and 1 is taken to the RHS, then the equation become 2 root 3 a by b is equal to a square by b square minus 1. Here in this part we are taking the LCM and it become a square minus b square by b square. Then placing root 3 in the LHS itself and taking 2a by ab to the RHS. Then root 3 is equal to a square minus b square by b square into b by 2a. Cancelling this b and the b square also 1b, it become a square minus b square by 2ab, where a and b are integers and therefore a square minus b square by 2ab is a rational number, and hence we can prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my class after listening it. Okay.